Good morning. Come take a walk with me. Let's go look at some swallowtail kites. This has been a very rewarding season as we have watched this particular nest up here, which is going on year number 5, where the swallowtail kites come back year after year and nest and raise their young. There are a multitude of other nest sites on this particular property, but that one's always special because it sits right here in the middle of this golf course. Kind of an unassuming little area, isn't it? How about this beautiful butterfly garden? Once the dew dries, all the other species will be waking up. Here's the fun part about trying to figure out where swallowtail kites are, is looking in the trees. There's a snag tree, which is a dead tree left for the intent of wildlife. But come on back to this one over here. And look at all the swallowtail kites up there. Beginning their morning process, getting the sun on their chests. They'll begin preening and waking up before they take flight for the day. It's July 8th, and so it's very common for the swallowtail kites to begin their staging process and teach their juveniles, this year's fledglings, how to fly and how to forage, how to be safe, because they have a long journey ahead of them, as very soon they will begin staging to the middle of the state, very large colonies, before they make their journey all the way back to South America. Thanks for taking a moment with me to look at swallowtail kites this morning.